Assalamualaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve October November 2017 paper 1-3 question 12. So let's begin. Two forces, each of magnitude F, act along the edges of a rectangular metal plate as shown. The plate has the length A and width B. What is the torque about point P? Okay, so this is actually a very confusing question, and this question is from couple of forces. Okay, the two forces which are acting opposite in direction along the same point and have different line of action. As you can see, the line of action of both of the forces is totally different. This is the line of action of this force F would be along this direction, and the line of action of this force would be along this direction. Okay, so now the working is quite easier. It's not that hard. Okay, so yeah, as you know that both of the forces are causing clockwise movement. Let me show you this thing. So how the forces are causing clockwise movement? So as this force along point P is causing the movement in this direction, and this is, as you know, this is a clockwise movement, right? This is in clockwise direction, and this one force is causing along point P in this direction. So this is also clockwise movement, and this is clockwise direction. Okay. So as both of these forces are causing clockwise movement, and now we will consider this distance of this force F from point P as x. Okay, I'm considering this distance as x. So now, as you know that the perpendicular distance, actually we need to consider perpendicular distance. So this perpendicular distance for this force F from pivot P would be x. Okay, I'm considering point P as pivot, and the distance of this force F from point P would be, as this whole length is B. So the distance of this force F from point P would be P minus x, right? So now let's see what's the working, as I've already done the working for you. Okay, so just wait a second. Okay. So both of the forces are causing clockwise movement, and the distance from force F to point P is x, as I've explained you. So the distance from the other force to the point P is B minus x. So now, as you know that both are causing clockwise movement, so the moment would be added. So it would be FB minus x plus Fx. This is the second force, which is like, towards the right. And this is the first force, which I told you, and it is acting towards the left. Let me show you. FB minus x is this one force, and FB minus x is this one force, and Fx is this one force. Okay, make sure that you're very clear about the forces. Okay, so now, as you know that these both forces are acting in clockwise direction, so the moment would be added. So it would be FB minus x plus Fx. And now if we expand this bracket, it would be FB minus Fx plus Fx. Oh, it's written wrong here actually. So this and this would cancel out. Okay, and it would be FB. So your final answer should be FB. And I would show you. And okay. So option B is the correct answer for question number 12. Still, if you have any doubt, any questions, you may ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching.